Morning to all of you. In this wonderful morning, I welcome you in my class while we are connected online, and I hope you people are enjoying at homes and having a good time with your parents, with your brothers and sisters. So be fruitful while we are going to enjoy this poem about which I told you previously, On His Blindness, composed by John Milton. This is the third poem of your syllabus. So we are going to learn more about this poem, right? Here we will read few important aspects of this poem. When I consider how my life is spent, when I consider how my life is spent before my days in the dark world and wide, and that one talent which is death to hide, lodged with me, useless, though my soul more bent. So I told you before that we have a rhyme scheme and that we use and the poet uses in their creation, composing of the poems. So here we have the word spent, and it is similar to bent, wide to high. So we can say we have A, B, B, A. The rhyme scheme is A, B, B, A. And now let's go deep into the words to get the meaning and the feeling. The poet wants to give us a message through this first stanza of his poem. When I consider how my light is spent, here it is consider, the word consider means think. He is thinking about his life. And as I told you before, that this is a very pathetic condition. The poet is in agony because he has lost his eyesight and he has got lots of talents, and one of the talent is composing poems, and now while he has lost his eyesight, he has become blind. He has not been able to think what to do in this dark world. And my dear children, आपको इस पोएम में पोएट का एक गॉड फियरिंग एस्पेक्ट्स भी नज़र आएंगे, क्योंकि इन दिस वी विल हैव अ वी हैव glimpses of spiritual and religious belief of John Milton. So we can understand that he would be a very God-fearing person. रहा और हम लोग को इससे एक मैसेज मिलेगा that you will try to get, okay, while we will go forward. Here we find that when I consider how my life is spent, here the life means, it refers to his eyesight. So spent means finished. Now the poet is thinking that his eyesight is gone, he has become blind. This is the first line in which he is thinking about his blindness. He is in a deep thinking that while he is in this trauma, in this agony, half my days, now at the mid of his age, he is having only the half age past. अभी उसका आधा जीवन बीता है. Half of my days, उसका आधा जीवन बीता है. In this dark world and wide, उसके पास पूरा आधा जीवन अभी बचता है, and that is only and only in the darkness because of his blindness. So here in the half of the line we see that he is showing us, he is uttering his deep darkness, what he is having now for the rest of his life. That one talent. Here we will have the spiritual belief. That shows that he is a God-fearing person. One talent is a God-gifted thing, and it is a God's gift. While we have this, and we see that while he is having this talent of composing poems, but he has not been able to express it or explore it because of his blindness. And he has a very strong belief. उसको एक विश्वास है, उसने स्पिरिचुअल जो अपनी लाइफ के अंदर उसका एक गॉड फियरिंग एस्पेक्ट है, that is now giving him a very hard time because he is having that spiritual belief that God gives everyone some talents. Somebody would be having 2 talents, 3 talents, 4 talents, 10 talents. Somebody would be having 1 talent. सबके पास अपने अपने ईश्वर के दिए हुए गुण होते हैं उनके जीवन में, और ईश्वर हमसे चाहते हैं, उनकी God expects that we should explore it, we should increase it for the welfare of this world, for the welfare of the society, for the welfare of the human kindness. हमें सारे संसार के लिए और स्वयं अपने लिए उन टैलेंट्स को बढ़ाना चाहिए. यदि ईश्वर ने हमें एक टैलेंट लेके इस दुनिया में भेजा है, तो इट वॉज द बिलीफ ऑफ द पोएट being a God-fearing person that he should use his poetic talent, otherwise God will rebuke him for not using that talent God has provided him. So he did not want to get the punishment of God because that was his belief. So he was very upset. He was very troubled that he is not being able to use this one talent, and which is death to hide. Only death would be having that right to take away his talent, and before his death nobody has the right to take his talent. But now, lost with me useless. Now it is with me uselessly. It is lost in me. It is lying in my soul, in my body, in my mind, in my heart, uselessly. And though my soul is more bent, my bent means utsuk, inclined. My soul is so inclined to express and to explore my talent that is given by God. To glorify God, I want to use. Here the poet is ready to explore and to express his talent and use his talent God has given him. And he is inclined to compose many poems, but his soul is ready, but his physical condition is not allowing him, and the talent is uselessly kept inside his soul. So बच्चों, यहाँ पर हम लोग ने इसको करा है. Now we will go for the next stanza, and before that we will go for the reference to the context and explanation. Right? आप लोग बच्चों इसको समझिएगा कि हम सबको ईश्वर ने एक टैलेंट दिया है, और यहाँ हम इस फर्स्ट स्टेंजा में सिर्फ एक रिबेलियस पोएट को देख रहे हैं. द पोएट हु इज सो रिबेलियस, वो एक क्रांति अपने अंदर लेकर आया हुआ है. एक उसके अंदर एक कुंठा है, दुख है, अथार दुख, कि वो ये भी भूल जा रहा है कि वो किससे बात कर रहा है. एंड ही started talking to God. Why did you take my talent? Why did you take away my eyesight? How would I use it? So in the first stanza, we see his rebellious attitude, while he is having the talent, but his physical condition is so weak, his eyes are lost. So this is the first stanza. Okay, my dear students, we will go forward for the next stanza, but before that we will go for the reference to the context and explanation.